All right, Joe Benuelos here with another installment of your Mad Metrology Minute. All right, today we're going to talk about thickness measurements. Thickness. Obviously, you can use a caliper. There's different tools you can use for thickness. Now, I'm going to use this little deal here as an example. This is our bottle rocket launcher. Belongs to the Benuelos residence. So, let's say, for example, you needed the thickness of the end. Not a problem. Shoot, you can use a caliper for that. But what if you need the thickness in the middle here, or you need the thickness down here, or you need the thickness of in here, right in the center of this piece here? Well, the what we have to offer is ultra thickness gauges, UTG. Now I've got one with me. This is the Phase 2 UTG 2900. We sell other brands. We sell Meditoyo. We sell Sterit. This particular one is one of the best values because it comes with a 5-year warranty. I've already taken the time to put a little gel here. That's a little gel. It's kind of like when you get an ultrasound, you have to have gel and that between the transducer and the piece. And basically what that does is that just eliminates the air. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is after we turn it on, first thing we want to do, we turn it on, we want to make sure that it's reading accurate to the, it's reading accurate. So we got there, that's fine. This block is like 0.123, 124 actually, so this is fine. While we're looking at this, you can see it has a probe 0. This is the equivalent of on a caliper when you zero out your caliper. This particular 2900 has coating, so this one will read through coating if you have coating on your material, on your pipe or whatever it may be, your piece of metal. That's your power button, return. You can save with this particular unit. So you can save, I believe, up to 100 files if I'm not mistaken. It has a self-calibrator in there. You can calibrate it to a known thickness, to a sound velocity. Because basically, and it also has, by the way, has like a little backlight button there as well. So these run off of a little battery, just a simple AA batteries. There you go there. And that's all to it. There are different transducers as well. This particular one is a 5 megahertz, but depending on the application, there's transducers that'll handle it. So if you have a really hot surface, or if you have thin pipe, if you have aluminum, whatever it is, we have the solution. So let's take a thickness on this particular piece, this Benuelos bottle rocket launcher. So we'll put some gel on there, and let's put the probe, the transducer rather, up against there, and let's see what we come up with. There you go. All right, we got a, there you go, 0.117. Let's see. Hit it again. All right, there's our number there. All right, now that's about right when you look at the thickness of this wall here. All right, so the point is that these can do a job very quickly, as you can see. Now, by the way, this particular launcher, as you can see, has paint on it, has a coating. So this particular model, not a problem. If I wanted to read through that, I would just put my transducer up against there, and I can read right through that as well. As you can see your number here. Now, so if you don't have any coating, don't worry about it. You can save a little bit of money. You can buy these and just straight up don't read through coating. But the through coating models start out at $9.95, has a 5-year warranty. The ones that don't read through coating are $7.95 as far as Phase 2, so you might as well get the coating model. These are excellent again. If you need a personal demo, let me know. I'll come out and do it. I carry one of these with me. And remember, we have different brands, but on this particular, on a UTG, I would recommend this. It does come with free software. In fact, it comes with this case here. It comes with free software. I think I have the software here. Right here. The software is in there. So basically the software is going to just real basic, like an Excel type setup. There's the software there. So anything other than that, if you have any questions about ultrasonic thickness, definitely let me know. I'll come out and do a demo. Okay, the other thing, you can also get ultrasonic gauges with A and B scan. A scan is basically almost like, consider if your transducer had an eye on it, an eyeball. So you put it up against your piece, and what does it see? You'll see something similar to this here, right? And a B scan is going to be similar to this. The B scan is more of a profile of what it's looking at. So that'll be closer to B scan. And by the way, here are some of the different probes you can get depending on the application: small tube, rough surface, high temperature. So the point is, whatever need you have, you let me know. I'll come out and do a demo. You may not even know if you need a ultrasonic thickness gauge. If it's something you've thought about, or maybe you had no idea what it was, I'll come out and do a demo. I will not have my trusty little Benuelo's rocket launcher piece with me, but I think we'll be okay. All right, we're gonna do this. We typically have a little joke of the day, so we're not gonna disappoint, because I know that's why you watched this video. It wasn't about the thickness gauge, and it wasn't about anything else. It was about the joke of the day. All right, so here goes. Okay, so why are mathematic books depressed all the time? Why are they depressed all the time? Because they're full of problems. Hey, we'll talk soon, and don't forget our calibration repair service. Anything we can do, calibration repair, you let us know. We'll talk soon.